Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about one common issue in the music industry or music business, especially when talking about electronics. So in particular for those of us who play the guitar or bass, we usually have a few of these pedals, effect pedals. And we have usually it says, oh, I don't know if you can see, it says here 12 volts with plus in the outer and minus in the center. So this is and the jack itself is one of these. These are usually consistent throughout most pedals available, and we can use one of these, which is a brick where you can have multiple outlets to multiple pedals, and these all have one standard. So I made this. See if you can see it. Oh, of course, kicking the stand. So as you can see, for one of the keyboard synth manufacturers called Korg, they have a series called the Volca. And the Volca has the same power requirements as standard pedals. That means that's 9 volt. And this one delivers 9 volt and 12 volt. But it's the 9 volt I'm interested in. However, for most pedals, we have a center negative power distribution. And on the Volcas, it's plus, center positive. And that's not good, because using this you won't get it to work at all. And also the jacks are different. I'm going to explain this here. So this is a standard jack used for pedals, no problem. Used for this, no problem. However, for the Volcas you have this size, which is 4.75 millimeters and 1.7 millimeters. So that's outer and inner, outer and inside. Oh, wrong finger, inside. And for the pedals, we have this, which is quite a lot bigger, especially in the center. And also the polarity is wrong. So this polarity and this polarity is wrong. And I do have a bunch of Volcas at home, and to be able to use them with one of these, I would actually have to create them myself. So I bought a bunch of these jacks that fit the Volcas. I bought a bunch of these jacks that actually fit the fuel tank or the power outlet thing. So I would just solder them on. However, as the polarity is wrong, I need to switch which way the cables go. And to be able to do that, I need to measure which is positive and which is negative. And to use that, I use a multimeter or multimeter. And I use the continuity mode. So, measuring the inner, it should be this one or this one. None, because I can't reach it probably. There we go. Yeah, so this is tip, as it's called, and this is ground. So to measure the ground, I keep it on this one and this one. Right, so it should be the same here. So what we need to do, we need to make sure that the ground from this one gets to the tip on this one. So let's measure which is the ground. Oh, sorry. Usually black. Oh, it is. And the tip in this case is red. Yep, it is. So we need to inverse it. Remove this one. In theory, we should need to let the So the black one should go here and the red one should go here. Once that's been done, all I need to do is connect it to this one and the Volca, and it should work. I also bought a few of these extension cords, which connects straight into the power brick here, and then when this has been soldered on, I have a complete solution. I don't know if I need to show you how to solder, because I think there's like a gazillion videos already out there how to do it. I do have my trusty soldering iron here, and of course you need a good pump or air filter to get rid of the stuff. So if someone wants to see me solder this, please let me know in the comments below. Alright, so I finished soldering 5 of these actually. So what I need to check now is to make sure that these are actually properly soldered. Take them off. So what we know is that we need to change the polarity of center negative to center positive. Doing that means we reverse the cables and solder them on backwards, as it were. I will make sure this one will be available in the link below to some sharing point somewhere. This is quite handy to use. And of course there are more synthesizers and mixers and stuff that need this, which you actually can fuel from one of these, if you do one of these. Like the Liven series of synths, they also do this instead of this. This will be available in the link below. Okay, so now I need to take this one again, our trusty fluke. Again, continuity. We have continuity there. So for this to work, the ground should be reversed in some of them. So let's try this one. This should be the ground on this one. And it is. And if we turn it around, take ground on this one, stick it in the hole. Yeah, this one works as it should. Let's try the next one. Ground, inside, inside, and ground. Yes, working perfectly. Ground to... Oh, for the love of... Hello? There we go. And this to ground. Works. Next one. Yes. This one. Yes. Man, I'm good at this maybe. Yes. And of course, all done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these extension cords and put them like so. And I'm going to shove it in here like so, which is powered by one of these. And this one will go to my Volcas or my Livens or whatever I have. Now this will obviously not work with any of these type of things, but I have a regular one for this right here. So these are standard ones. And just to show you the difference, so the ground here should also be the ground here, which is this. Should not be the center, which is something different. So this is a proper one. Those are improper ones, but for my purpose, they're doing well. Soldering these took about 20 seconds each, something like that. Should I show the inside? Do I dare? Yeah, this is the way I did it. Quick and dirty. This is low voltage cable, so yes, thank you. All right, so in the final stage we're going to try to connect these cables I made into a few different units. So we have the fuel tank right over here. I've connected all the cables I made before. And let's try this this unit here. If it fits, it does fit. yes, it does work. That works. Yeah, we can leave it in. Let's take our first Volca here. Connect that. I don't see anything, but that's fine. Oh, for the love of... There we go. Yes, that works. Next one. And next one.
And the final one.
So I'm going to turn them all on. So as you can see from this single power tank unit, which actually delivers 9 volt, powering all of these. Oh. All right, so that's that. Just to prove it to you, I'm going to disconnect the power from this one. I hope you can see that. I'll have to check if you can actually see that. Yeah, you can. So all are gone. Let's connect it again. And yes, 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 yes. Everything is working. Yeah. Could be. From a project back in the day. Well, thank you for watching, and as always, if you have questions, please post them below in the comments. Have an awesome weekend and see you soon.